Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we'll show how to create and submit your personal identity, which is required for all individual DID purchases. Please note that personal identities are for individual use and limited to a single DID and one associated channel. You will learn how to create your personal identity, including key verification steps, adding your personal details, verifying your identity by email and by phone, and uploading supporting documents. Let's start with logging into your CommPeak Portal account. Once logged in, go to the DIDs section in the main menu and select Identities. Now, click Add a new identity, and in the pop-up window, choose the Personal tab. The pop-up will show you what's needed. Click Proceed. In Step 1, Identity Details, fill in your personal address and your first and last name. Ensure this corresponds with what is on your government-issued identification. Then, click Save and Continue. For Step 2, Email Verification, enter your email and click Get Code via email. Copy the 6-digit code sent to your inbox and paste it. In Step 3, Phone Verification, enter your valid phone number, select your country code, and click Get Code via call. Enter the 4-digit code you receive via call. To complete the verification process and authorize your phone number as a caller ID, press 5514. Finally, in Step 4, Supporting Documents, upload a government-issued ID and a proof of address, for example, a utility bill no older than 6 months matching your entered details. You can upload them in PDF, JPEG, or PNG format. Once documents are uploaded, click Submit Identity for review and confirm your submission. Remember, no changes are possible after this step. You'll receive an identity confirmation by email and can monitor your identity submission status on the Identities page. Note that reviewing time is up to 48 hours. Sometimes, you might need to complete a Know Your Customer process for additional identity verification, even if your identity documents have already been submitted. For additional verification, go to the Extended Verification (KYC) tab on the Identities page and click Initiate Process. Please check our KYC instructions article for detailed instructions on how to complete the entire verification flow. Thanks for watching, and good luck!